Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video I'm going to be showing you something that I believe that every content creator or anybody who has a business on the internet should have right now. Okay, and I'm talking about Chatgpt extension for search engine optimization. By the way, if you're coming across my video for the very first time, do me a favor by subscribing, and after subscribing, turn on the notification button so that you get notified every time I upload content like this. Okay, now what are Chatgpt extension for search engine optimization? Simply put, these are softwares or tools or features that are specifically designed to help you to optimize your content in such a way that they show up on Google's first page. And honestly speaking, this is somewhere that I know that everybody who is a content creator or anybody who is marketing online want to find his or her content. All right, now specifically in this video I'm going to be focusing on one of the extension that has been mind-blowing out there. I've been using it and I tell you it's something else. Okay, and then in my subsequent videos I'm going to be showing you more of these AI extensions, okay, that are specifically designed to help you to optimize your content powerfully. Okay, so there is no need talking too much. Let's go into my screen and go through this tool. If you're here, kindly check out some of my content on my YouTube channel. All right, after this video, come back, check out some of my contents. Okay, I got loads of videos here that are going to help you to maximize your efforts in making money online. Okay, I got loads of video here. So if you're new to my channel, come back here, check out my video later on. Okay, now this is my space on Quora where I post content steadily, and I make affiliate commissions posting this content. All right, I actually wrote this content or this post using the extension that I'm about to show you. Okay, for example, I wrote this article today. Okay, and it's been generating traffic, and the impression has been very good. Okay, so now the first step is to go to OpenAI and create your account. If you don't have an account on OpenAI, it's very easy to create an account. All you have to do is type in chat.openai.com and you'll be taken directly to OpenAI website where you create your account with your Google account. All right, simply sign up. Okay, I have account already, so all I have to do is just to log in and I'll be there. So the next thing you do is to go to Chrome Web Store. Okay, now when you create your Chatgpt account, this is what it's going to look like. Okay, when you sign up for Chatgpt, this is what the interface looks like. Okay, so the next thing you do is to go to Chrome Web Store and look for and search for AIPRM for Chatgpt. Look for this one exactly, and then you add it to your Chrome extension. All right, you add it to your Chrome extension. By the time you add it to your Chrome extension, this is what you're going to have. This is the extension in operation. Okay, so this is simply the extension, and this extension is mind-blowing in the sense that you can actually use this extension. Once you have this extension, forget everything about content creation. You are in it. Okay, you can actually use this extension to create any content because it has almost 1,304 prompts covering practically every content that you want to create. This is the very extension that I use to create the content that I show you on Quora. Okay, so when you get in here, after you installed the extension on your Chrome browser, it will quickly change the interface of your OpenAI Chatgpt. All right, this is what the interface that you're going to have. All right, so let's look at some of the features of this extension and what you can do with them. Okay, now on this extension you're going to find this is SL Expert. This is write a book chapter fast. Okay, All you have to do is just put in the title, give it idea, give it prompt, what you want it to do, and it would write it for you. This one is create professional advertising campaign, stable diffusion, prompt based on your idea. All right, this one shortcut to DN.6. This one is to find questions, discover the top questions about keyword that target audience need to answer. Okay, this one is auto correct your text. This one is get a monthly content schedule by just typing in a keyword. All right, for example, okay, we'll come back to this. This one say topical authority. Create a table with article idea to help you build topical authority for one specific keyword that will be your main article. Okay, this is bypassing Chatgpt jailbreak chats. Chatgpt. This one is Chatgpt will be your social manager. A whole lot of things, a whole lot of prompts here. Let me go back a bit. I think I dropped some things that I wanted to show you. Okay, now, and in fact, the prompt here keep growing. By the time when actually I installed this extension to my Chatgpt, okay, it had about 1,100 and something prompt, but now it's almost 1,304 prompts. So this one is YouTube script generator. This one is Write Smart article, best to rank #1 on Google, and all these things happen at a click. Okay, all you have to do is put in your title, put in your keyword, and it's gone. It writes it for you. This one says smart and detailed article writer H1 tags. This one is click blog post. Okay, this one is human like writer. This one say keyword strategy. This one say get a monthly content calendar in one click. This one is write a complete book in one click. All you have to do is to give it the prompts. Okay, give it the title of the book and it will write it for you. This one say mid journey generator. Now all these features help you. These are the prompts that you need, that you don't actually know how to do it on Chatgpt ordinarily, but when you come here, this extension help you to do whatever. Let's just try this keyword strategy and see how it go. So for example, when I type in this keyword, get response. Okay, sorry, get response. Let's see what it's going to do for us. Get response, and we're using the keyword strategy prompt, get response. Just watch out and see what is happening. Watch out and see what is happening. I just typed in get response and it's giving me keyword cluster. It's just planning everything for me, giving me ideas of grouping keywords for me that I can actually write content on. Okay, I think it's done. So when you look at the table that the prompt created, all right, this one is a keyword cluster, email marketing. All right, so it's a keyword, email marketing, search intent, informational search intent, title. It gives you the title, it gives you the meta description. Now, if you want to write on autoresponder, this is informational intent. It gives you why autoresponders are essential for your business, and then it gives the meta description. This is informational intent. 5 proven strategies to build your email list with get response. It gives you the meta description. All right, if you're writing newsletter, informational intent. I think it sometimes give you commercial intent. All right, commercial. This is commercial intent, right? Webinar marketing, commercial. This is commercial intent. How to boost your webinar attendance with get response, and at the same time it gives you the meta description. You need to check out this extension. It's mind-blowing. Everything that you need to create your content is here. You don't need to sweat over anything. Just come in here and check out this extension. If you're getting value from this video, please give me a like, and leave a comment. Okay, let's make this video interactive. It's not really a long one. Okay, so this one say YouTube script generator. You simply create type in the script. For example, if I say make money online, for example, you say how to change a tire or explain the Himalaya, or okay, let me say training dog for beginners, or let me say simply how to okay, make money online and see how it goes. How to make money online. Okay, and it gives you the intro, it's giving us the intro, giving us the body of the scripts. Okay, hey, what's up guys? You know, it gives you practically everything that you need to have on your scripts. Okay, this is amazing. So check out this extension. It's mind-blowing. I'm using it and it's giving me results. So simply check it out. It's completely free, 100% free, and you can enjoy it in your content creation. Thank you for being with me till the end of this video. God bless you. See you in my next video. And don't fail to subscribe. Don't fail to turn off the notification button, and God bless you.